Hello there, I'm Rita. Welcome to 60 Sewing Seconds, our mini show where we talk about a notion, tool, or brand that has us excited. Today, we're talking about Sew Quirky, an Australian line of patterns with a flair of whimsical characters and playful themes. Mandy Murray is the creator of Sew Quirky, and she's fun and vibrant, just like her patterns. We carry several of the Sew Quirky patterns, including Budgie Buddies, Hey Babe, and the Hootiful Owl Bag, just to name a few. They're as versatile as they are adorable and can be made into anything from pillows to quilts, wall hangings, even clothing. Just imagine one of these fun designs on the back of a jacket, backpack, or even a tote bag. With summer just around the corner, it's the perfect time to play with color and bold patterns. Mandy's patterns pack a fun punch we know you'll love. Check out the links in the description below to see all the Sew Quirky patterns we carry and notions on display. Thank you for watching 60 Sewing Seconds. I hope you enjoyed today's segment on Sew Quirky patterns, and be sure to click that subscribe link to see what I'm excited about next time. Happy sewing!